Let's open this up. Sanju Verma, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Harshvardhan Tripathi ji, Nikhil Jain, Ravi Srivastav, Professor Monojit Mondal, and Dr. Shyam Kumar, the spokesperson of the Rashtriya Janata Dal, will be joining us shortly. Nikhil, why can't Rahul Gandhi condemn what we are all seeing?
First of all, Pranesh, let me correct you that you started by saying that the Congress party stood on a stage and abused Prime Minister Modi's deceased mother. It was not the Congress party, it was not a Congress leader, it was not even a Congress worker, it was some idiot, some hoodlum, somebody who stood on the stage, abused the Prime Minister. She shouldn't have had. That's condemnable, that's wrong.
Open for hoodlums?
And the organizer...
Is the Congress stage open for hoodlums? Answer that question, Nikhil.
Sorry?
Is the Congress stage open for hoodlums?
It was not the Congress stage. Tejasvi Yadav, Rahul Gandhi or no other leader from the Congress was even present at the time when this happened. The leaders had already left.
Nikhil, it does not take, 1 minute. It does not take too much to identify a Congress stage. Can you see your party's flags, banner, the hand there in Abhay Mudra that allows this kind of hate? Just look at the pictures. There was an attempt, 1 minute Nikhil, there was an attempt by the Congress party and your ecosystem to link this man to the BJP. You've been fact-checked by your favorite fact-checker.
You are not even letting me condemn the fact that some idiot went on a stage and abused the Prime Minister. I condemn the act. It's very wrong.
If you can, why can't Rahul Gandhi condemn this?
He made a public apology about it. He apologized to the Prime Minister.
Now you were saying it had nothing to do with the Congress party. Now you're talking about the public apology. Make up your mind, Nikhil. Nikhil, look, make up your mind. This is about the larger principle that Rahul Gandhi talks about. Muhabbat ki dukan. What dukan is this? The people will judge. The larger question is, 1 minute, that Ajay Rai, is Ajay Rai from the Congress party? Is Ajay Rai your leader?
Let me complete on the first point that you made about this incident that happened.
Forget the first point. Here's the second point. Is Ajay Rai a Congress leader?
No. You can't keep on slinging mud at me and not even allow me to wipe my face. That's not fair. If you raise a point, listen to the response to that. Let me tell your viewers that the organizer of the event apologized to the Prime Minister, condemned the act, told everybody that this person didn't have anything to do with the Congress. He was not a Congress office bearer. He was slapped. The mic was snatched from him. Let your viewers know the truth.
Forget this. Forget the organizer. Let's focus on what Mr. Pawan Kheda has said. He's senior leader of your party, looks after media, communications, what have you. See what he said. There is defiance in every word. It's dripping out of that post and through his reaction. Now answer the question about Ajay Rai. Nikhil, don't do this, please. There are others who haven't spoken. Please, respect their time. Ajay Rai is a Congress leader. That you can't agree because he was celebrating his imagined victory a few days ago. Do you know what he said about Mohan Bhagwat? I can't repeat those words.
Oh. Pranesh, do you know what Adityanath said to an ANI reporter? Should I repeat the word CHUT and there are more letters to follow? Should I say what Nishikant Dubey said about MP
Nikhil Jain, get a hold of yourself. Nikhil, get a hold of yourself. Don't start blabbering here on national television. Think of what you're going to say. Process it, take a printout and then read from it. Because clearly without the printer, you have a problem. Professor Mondal, Mahua Moitra is calling for Amit Shah's head.
What kind of laughable argument is this? I mean, the party has made it amply clear that this is just, you're talking about or showing resistance against the Home Minister. Even then, I believe that she should have used those words. But in politics, look at the way you have been abusing the elected woman Chief Minister of the state. For how many years? Even the person who is sitting on your panel from BJP, look how many times she has abused the Mamata Banerjee, lied about her. You have not even spared the baby boy of Abhishek Banerjee. when you had to, his wife had to take him to Delhi for, grilling by the ED, and nothing has happened in this case so far. So you talk about Katsi, BJP is talking about Katsi. I think his devil is advocating for the angel. So we don't want any lecture from BJP as far as political semantics are concerned. Even day before yesterday, I saw on an Hindi channel, one of the spokesperson from BJP
Professor
in
Mondal,
Delhi.
forget the BJP.
calling
The
someone-
BJP hasn't spoken yet. I am asking you a question on principle. If you accuse the BJP of Gali politics, is that the standard that you want to emulate, follow?
Do you ask the same question to BJP when they practice Gali politics day in and day out?
Of course, sir. Whenever a leader has crossed the line, I am the first one to ask. Professor Mondal,
I'm repeating again. On a Hindi channel, I cannot name that
sir,
channel
I
because
can't
this
go on
is
some
neither-
other channel and ask Professor Mondal. This does not work like this, sir. Please. This is not the India Alliance stage. That one day one leader comes, the other day that leader is abusing someone else. I can only speak on Times Now, sir. I use this platform to speak to viewers. रवि श्रीवास्तव जी, अमित शाह का सर टेबल पे रख दो, इसका क्या मतलब है सर? या कितने मतलब हो सकते हैं ये बता दीजिए.
I think it's a kind of a metaphor, because what happens is that if there is any case of incompetence, like Amit Shah had 109 days of that Pahalgam, and no action has been taken. So what people say normally in such cases, the head should roll. I think it's a metaphor to that. That is, although the words are not appropriate, I condemn it. But I think this is what she meant, that the infiltrators are coming.
Okay.
They are
Ravi
doing all
Srivastava ji,
kind of...
you see, if you can condemn, if Nikhil Jain can condemn, why is there total silence from the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi ji? अभय मुद्रा की तो बात वही करते हैं. ये कौन सा मुद्रा है? अब्यूज मुद्रा, मर्डर मुद्रा. What mudra is this?
What Rahul Gandhi did wrong? What he did? Tell me. What wrong he did?
Why is Rahul Gandhi not condemning this kind of commentary?
Why should did he abuse?
Okay.
Why should he?
Why should Rahul
You will
Gandhi?
never ask. You will
Right.
never-
Rahul Gandhi can abuse the Prime Minister by calling him vote chore and exhorting the people to repeat his slogans, but you don't see that as provocation. It's par for the course. Sanju Verma, respond to what you've heard.
I'll take it one by one. First, let me respond to the TMC, since he made a direct, accusation and allegation at me, saying BJP spokesperson has used foul language. I have been on a zillion debates with Manojit Mandal. I have called out Mamata Banerjee's incompetence in the Arjikar case, saying she's failed as the chief minister, failed as the home minister, failed as the, health minister. I have called out Mamata Banerjee's incompetence with respect to the law college rape. Have I abused Mamata Banerjee? Personally, no. But what did Mamata Banerjee do after the Hansa Khani gang rape of a 14-year-old? She laughed, saying, "Eta rape chilo, na eta love affair chilo, na meta pregnant chilo." So don't sit here and give bhashan to the BJP. Now let me say this to the Congress. राहुल गांधी said, ये जो नरेंद्र मोदी है ना, ये जब 2024 का चुनाव हार जाएगा ना, this is before the 2024 election results were out, जो देश की युवा जनता है ना, ये रोड पर निकलकर नरेंद्र मोदी को डंडे मारेगी, नरेंद्र मोदी की डंडों से पिटाई होगी. This is the abusive, this is the shameful, this is the disgusting, this is the disgraceful language of Rahul Gandhi, who's today being idolized as leader of the opposition. इमरान मसूद मोदी की बोटी बोटी काट देंगे. इनको तो पहले यूथ कांग्रेस का करता धरता बनाया गया, and then he was given a ticket and is now the Lok Sabha MP from Saharanpur. Then let's not forget Jairam Ramesh, who's today the second or third in command after Khadge. He called Modi Duryodhan. Sonia Gandhi called Modi Maut ka Saudagar. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary called Modi Gandhi Nali. And then you have Mallikarjun Kharge who called Modi Ravan. But look at Kanhaiya Kumar, सबसे बदतमीज आदमी, who still has a case pending against him for flashing himself at a JNU woman in 2016. ये क्या बोलते हैं नरेंद्र मोदी के बारे में? नरेंद्र मोदी नालायक हैं। नरेंद्र मोदी सिर्फ संघी नहीं, आतंकवादी हैं। शेम ऑन कन्हैया कुमार। मैं कहती हूँ मोहम्मद रिजवी abused Narendra Modi's mother. Rahul Gandhi has an opinion on everything under the sun, Pranesh. क्या राहुल गांधी ने नरेंद्र मोदी की माता श्री का जो अपमान हुआ है वो आज जिंदा भी नहीं है? क्या राहुल गांधी ने इसका खंडन किया नहीं? क्या प्रियंका वाड्रा ने खंडन किया नहीं? क्या सोनिया गांधी ने खंडन किया नहीं? क्या मल्लिकार्जुन ने खड़गे ने खंडन किया नहीं? क्या जयराम रमेश ने खंडन किया नहीं? और यहां बैठकर कांग्रेस पार्टी के अनऑफिशियल नुमाइंदे,
आई एम श्योर निखिल जैन इज ऑलरेडी मेकिंग पॉइंटर्स, वो बोलेंगे एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू व्हाट ही विल से।